Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the receipt mail and Gmail. Now, let's get started. First, open your Gmail apps, and after this, in here, you just click on the Gmail that you want to receive. Maybe this one, and then click and then press this Gmail, and after this, in here, you just click on this account at the top. Okay, and after this is has been received. So that how to receive Gmail at how to receive email on gmail.com. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.